Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo A53 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s and Samsung A21s. It is powered by Samsung Exynos 850 chipset with a 4GB of RAM, while the Oppo A53 it is powered by new Snapdragon 460 chipset with a 4GB of RAM as well. On the back, we got a quad cameras on the back on the A21s compared to a triple cameras on the Oppo A53. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go, and launching at the same time, and logo came up first, little bit faster on the A21s followed by the Oppo A53. And also both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Color OS version 7.2 on the Oppo A53 compared to a One UI 2.0 update on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Design language, it is very similar on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. No difference there when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very similar display. We have a 720p IPS LCD display on the Oppo A53 compared to a 720p TFT display on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which is not as good as IPS LCD display on the Oppo A53. And also both phones give you a punch hole on the left hand side, and you can see. And the one thing which is not available on the A21s, it is the 90Hz refresh rate. Oppo A53 give you a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes more smoother than the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff. We have phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A21 as it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Oppo A53. Now let's see the settings on both phones, and that is switch faster on the Oppo A53 followed by the A21s. Now let's see some more application. We have Amazon shopping on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And Oppo A53 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A21s. Let's see the scrolling, and feels much smoother on the Oppo A53 thanks to a 90Hz refresh rate on the Oppo A53. Spotify on both phones, and that is again a little bit faster on the Oppo A53 followed by the A21s. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And the animation, it is feels much smoother as well as, and you can see A21 as it is faster there, followed by the Oppo A53, about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. Now let's see the Subway Surfer on both phones, and now let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And you can see that Oppo A53 it is just a tiny bit faster there if I'm not wrong, and you can see little bit faster on the Oppo A53 followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And guys, we get a dual speakers on the Oppo A53. One it is on the bottom and one it is inside the earpiece, and you can see, and the speaker quality it is much better on the Oppo A53. So next on the list is the Zedge application on both phones, and let's see who is faster there. And also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see Oppo A53 it is just a tiny bit faster there. The Twitter, and that is faster on the Oppo A53 followed by the A21s. And last, I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s followed by the Oppo A53. And guys, also the camera performance it is a lot better on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And also we have a ultra wide. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Samsung internet browser on the A21s compared to a Google Chrome on the Oppo A53. We have apple.com first website, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see Oppo A53 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels much smoother on the Oppo A53 compared to the A21s. Next on the list is the gssubmarina.com, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see Oppo A53, it is again faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's see the scrolling. The scrolling wise, feels much smoother on the Oppo A53. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you a 4GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. We got phone dialer, that is refresh on the Oppo A53. Settings, same result. Amazon shopping, that is again refresh. Spotify, and you can see, let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Subway Surfer, Zach. Now let's see the Twitter, that is also I feel refreshed, but I would say not refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is little bit faster on the Oppo A53 in system based application as well as in game app loading time. The RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A21s with very good optimization. Almost all the application it is refreshed on the Oppo A53. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo A53 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.